d power n y by dx power n plus p1 d power n minus 1 by dx power n minus 1 plus p2 d power n minus 2 y by dx power n minus 2 plus and so on p and y is equal to q of x, where p1, p2 and so on pn and q of x are functions of x only. Functions of x only. Where p1, p2 and so on pn and q of x are functions of x only. Completed? Hello? Hello?
No, ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay? Hello?
Okay, ma'am.
Next. See, this is linear differential equation. Now, next point, linear differential equation, not a linear differential equation with constant coefficient. You tell me in the name itself it is there. Linear differential equation with constant coefficient. That means these constants, these coefficients are P1, P2 and so on, Pn are just constants, okay? Are of the form d power n y by dx power n plus k1 I'll write k1 d power n minus 1 y by dx power n minus 1 plus k2 d power n minus 2 y by dx power n minus 2 plus and so on k and y is equal to q of x. Okay, this is equation 1. Where k1, k2 and so on kn are called k1, k2 and so on kn are just constants. If all these p1, p2 and so on pn are constants, then it is called linear differential equation with constant coefficients. If p1, p2, pn are functions of x, then it is called a linear differential equation with variable coefficients. Okay? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Just p1, p2, pn are constants, then equation is said to be linear differential equation with constant coefficients. If all these p1, p2 and so on pn are functions of x, then it is called linear differential equation with variable. If coefficients are variables, then we will call it as linear differential equation with variable coefficients. If coefficients are constants, then we will call it as linear differential equation with constant coefficients. Okay? Hello, are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
Now listen. The complete solution of equation 1. The complete solution of equation 1. And now we are discussing about only constant coefficients. Equation 1 is constant coefficients. The complete solution of equation 1 is y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Complementary function for plus particular integral. The complete solution of equation 1 is complementary function plus particular integral. So how to find complementary function and particular integral, I'll tell you. Okay? Now listen. Just I'll denote d by dx by capital D. D square by dx square by capital D square. D cube by dx cube by capital D cube. And so on. Now tell me, then equation 1 becomes d power n by dx power n is d power n by dx power n, we can write capital D power
People in
y plus k1 into d power n minus 1 by dx power n minus 1, we can write d power n minus 1 y plus k2 into d power n minus 2 y plus and so on a and y is equal to q of x. I'll take y common here. D power n plus k1 d power n minus 1 plus k2 d power n minus 2 plus and so on kn of y is equal to q of x. Okay? Just symbolic form. We are writing in symbolic form. Okay? We are just to denote d by dx by capital D, d square by dx square by capital D square and so on. Now for finding first we will discuss how to find complementary function. Okay? To find complementary function, this I will write in the form of f of d of y equal to q of x. What is f of d? Tell me. What is f of d? What is f of d? I am writing d power n plus k1 d power n minus 1 plus and so on kn. This entire expression I am denoting it by f of d. Okay, to find out complementary function, first we will write auxiliary equation. Okay, auxiliary equation. What is auxiliary equation? F of m equal to 0. You know what is f of d? F of d is this one. I'll explain with a small example. Okay, d square y by dx square plus 2 into dy by dx plus 3y is equal to, first I am taking RHS 0, this q of x. If RHS is 0, then particular integral is 0. So first we will say how to find only complementary function. Now what is I'll denote d by dx by capital D and d square by dx square by capital D square. Then this equation becomes, tell me, capital D square by, hello?
2D
2 dy plus 3y is equal to 0. Take y common, d square plus 2d plus 3 of y is equal to 0. Now this is in the form of f of d of y equal to 0. What is auxiliary equation? Tell me. Auxiliary equation is f of m equal to 0. Replace d by m in that. Tell me what is auxiliary equation? M square plus 2m plus 3 equal to 0. And find out roots of this equation. Okay. Depending on the roots, we will write the complementary function. First write auxiliary equation. Is it clear what is auxiliary equation here? Hello? Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
First write auxiliary equation. Depending on the auxiliary equation, we will write the complementary function. So now listen. If suppose if my roots are, I'll explain with example only. Suppose my roots are 1, 2, 3. For third order, we'll get 3 roots. Okay. Here you will get only 2. Second order. Suppose my roots are real and distinct. Roots are real and distinct. Then complementary function is equal to c1 into e power first root into x plus c2 into e power second root into x plus c3 into e power 3. This is the complementary function. And this is my another root. Then you will get c4 into e power minus x. Is it clear? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
If roots are real and distinct. Now, suppose if you get 6 roots, you will get plus c4 plus c5. Okay? Suppose if roots are real and repeated roots. Suppose 2 is my root, or I'll write 4. 4 is my root repeated 3 times. Then what is the part of complementary function? C1 plus C2x plus C3x square. It is repeating 3 times, so write only 3 constants. C1 plus C2x plus C3x square into e power 4x. Suppose it is repeated 4 times, then tell me. It is repeated 4 times. Then what is complementary function? C1 plus C2x. We will write up to
X cube.
x cube. C4x cube into e power 4x. And also we have two more distinct roots also. What is complementary function corresponding to this 1, 2? Tell me. We have written up to this. 4, 4, 4. And what about complementary function corresponding to 1, comma 2? Plus,
Plus
these are C4 is completed, so I'll start with C5 e power x
x
plus C6 e power 2x. Okay, this is about real and repeated roots. Now, suppose my roots are complex roots, alpha plus or minus I beta, 2 plus or minus 3i. This is for both plus or minus. Okay, don't write for plus and minus differently. This is for both plus or minus I. If my roots are alpha plus or minus I beta, this is a distinct root, not a repeated root, then the corresponding part of complementary function is equal to e power alpha x, this real part, e power alpha x into c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. Okay, e power alpha x into this beta is imaginary part, c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. Suppose alpha plus or minus I beta repeated 2 times, then these are 4 roots, right? We will get 4 constants. These are 2 roots, we are getting 2 constants here, C1, C2. These are 4 roots, alpha plus or minus I beta, alpha plus or minus I beta. Then corresponding part of complementary function is C. These are repeated 2 times. For repetition, we will write C1 plus C2x into cos beta x plus C3 plus C4x into sin beta x. Is it clear? Hello? Suppose if it is repeated 3 times, then how can we write complementary function? Tell me. E power alpha x into alpha plus or minus I beta repeated 3 times. Then what is corresponding? C1 plus C2x plus up to
C3x square
C3x square into cos beta x plus C4 plus C5x plus C6x square into sin beta x. The same repetition procedure we will apply in place of constants here, okay? So these are the 4 cases for finding complementary function. Okay, note down this one. Write down complete solution of equation 1 is y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So put d by dx equal to capital D, d square by dx square equal to capital D square, d cube by dx cube equal to capital D cube, and so on in equation 1. Then equation 1 becomes okay, f of t of y equal to q of x. You write up to find complementary function, auxiliary equation is f of m equal to 0. Completed up to here? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Now write down and then find the roots of the auxiliary equation. And then find the roots of the auxiliary equation. Write down first point. If m1, m2 and so on mn are all real and distinct, then complementary function equal to tell me c1 e power m1x plus c2 e power m2x plus and so on cn e power mnx. All these are real and distinct. Second point. If alpha is a real root of f of m equal to 0, which is repeated r times, then corresponding part of complementary function equal to, tell me, repeated r times. Alpha is a root repeated r times. If 4 repeated 3 times, we are writing up to 2. 4 repeated 4 times, we are writing up to x cube. Now tell me, alpha is the root repeated r times, then what is complementary function? C1 plus
C2.
C2
C3x square plus and so on CR x power r minus 1 into e power, what is root?
Rx.
Alpha x.
Alpha x.
Third point. Let alpha plus or minus I beta be a non-repeated root of f of m equal to 0. Then corresponding part of cf equal to corresponding part of complementary function equal to, tell me. Alpha plus or minus I beta e power
alpha x into alpha x into
c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. Next. Fourth point, tell me. I am giving only for 2 times. Let alpha plus or minus I beta is repeated twice. Then what is complementary function? If it is repeated 2 times, then what is complementary function? E power alpha x into
C1 plus C1 C2x C2x
into cos beta x plus c3 plus c4x into sin beta x. Similarly, you can apply for r times also in exam. Mostly you will get 4th order differential equation only. Okay. Shall I go to problems now? Hello? And you know what is homogeneous equation and non-homogeneous equation? For homogeneous equation, what is right hand side value? RHS.
0.
0. Non-homogeneous RHS not equal to 0. Okay. Write down question, solve d square y by dx square minus a square y equal to 0. Here a is not equal to 0. First we are discussing about only homogeneous, that is, if RHS is 0, then PI 0. Okay. RHS 0, PI 0. You remember that point. Put d by dx equal to capital D, d square by dx square equal to capital D square, and so on. Then given equation becomes capital D square y minus a square y equal to 0. That is d square minus a square of y 0. What is auxiliary equation?
M square minus S.
Auxiliary equation is m square minus a square equal to 0. Find out roots. What are the roots of this equation? M equal to
Plus or minus A.
Or minus A.
plus or minus a. That is m equal to plus a minus a. These two are distinct and real roots, right? Then what is complementary function? What is complementary function?
C1,
What is
C1 plus C2,
C1 plus
C1 into e power n
C1 into e power ax plus C2 into e power
minus
Minus
a.
X.
minus ax.
Minus
These are real and distinct, okay? Therefore, complete solution is y equal to Cf plus Ci. Therefore, y equal to C1 e power ax plus C2 e power minus ax. This is solution. Pi is 0 if Rx is 0. Next, solve this. D square x by
Ma'am, can
dt
you
square.
scroll down one? Thank you, ma'am.
D square x by dt square plus 6 dx by dt plus 9x equal to 0. If dy by dx is given, what is complete solution? Y equal to Cf plus Pi. Y we are writing in terms of x, okay? Here dx by dt is given, okay? Put d by dt capital D, d square by dt square is capital D square. Then given equation becomes capital D square x plus 6 dx plus 9x of c equal to 0. So d square plus 6d plus 9 of x equal to 0. What is auxiliary equation?
M square plus 6m plus 9.
Auxiliary equation is m square plus 6m plus 9 equal to 0. What are the roots of this equation? This you can write m plus 3 whole square. What are the values of m? M equal to
Minus 3.
minus 3 comma minus 3. Then what is complementary function? Tell me. Minus 3 is a real and a
Real
repeated
and
root.
repeated.
What is complementary function?
C1 plus C2x.
C2t because dx by dt is given. Into e power minus
3x.
3t minus 3t. Therefore, complete solution y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. That is, sorry, x equal to. Therefore, x equal to c1 plus c2t into e power minus 3. Okay, completed. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't explore. I think disturbance now.
I'm answering school.
Please, no. No.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, write down next problem. Solve d power 4 minus 4d square plus 4 of y equal to 0. Solve d power 4 minus 4d square plus 4 of y equal to 0. What is the directly the given equation is in symbolic form, write auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is, what is auxiliary equation? What is auxiliary equation?
M power 4
M
minus
power
4.
4 minus 4m square plus 4.
How to find roots of this equation? Observe the equation and tell me.
M4 minus 2m square minus 2m square.
M square minus
Minus 2 whole.
whole square. M square minus 2 whole square. This is m power 4. Minus 2ab is minus 4m square plus b square is plus 4. Okay. M square minus 2 0. M square minus 2 0 because here we have two terms. So m square equal to 2. What is m?
Plus or minus 2.
Plus or minus root 2. Here also plus or minus root 2. That is, what are the roots? Root 2, minus root 2, minus root 2. Real roots or complex roots? Huh? Real roots or complex roots?
Complex roots.
Complex, huh? There is no I here.
Real.
Real roots. Complex roots contains I, no? Root 2i or something. Tell me, what is complementary function here? Root 2 repeated 2 times. And minus root 2 repeated 2 times. Tell me.
C1 plus C2x of
C1 plus C2x
E power root 2x.
e power root 2x plus
C1 plus
C1 plus C2.
C3. Start with C3. C3 plus
C4.
C4x into
E4
e power minus root 2x. Therefore, complete solution is, don't forget to write this, okay? Complete solution is y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Y equal to C1 plus C2x into e power root 2x plus C3 plus C4x into e power minus root 2x.
Ma'am, one show second question, no, ma'am?
This one?
Yes, ma'am, question. Scroll down, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Completed, everyone? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, next question. Solve d square plus 1 whole cube of y equal to 0. Write auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is m square plus 1 whole cube. Tell me, what are the roots?
M goes to plus or minus.
M equal to
Plus or minus 1.
m square plus 1 I. M square is equal to minus 1. M equal to under root minus 1 is I plus or minus I. How many times?
6
Plus or minus I? 3 times.
plus or minus.
3 times. It is a real root or complex root?
Complex.
Complex root repeated 3 times. What is complementary function? E power alpha. What is alpha? This is in the form of alpha plus or minus I beta. What is alpha value and beta value? Alpha is
0.
0, beta is 1. E power 0x is 1, okay. Into, tell me, complex root repeated 3 times. Tell me.
C1 plus C2x plus C3x square
C3x square into
cos x.
cos beta is 1 plus, tell me,
C4 plus
C5x plus
C6x cube.
C6x square into sin x. Therefore, solution is y equal to CF plus DI. Therefore, y equal to e power 0x1. So, C1 plus C2x plus C3x square into cos x plus C4 plus C5x plus C6x square into sin x. This is complete solution. Completed? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
All d power 4 y by dx power 4 plus 4y equal to 0. D power 4y by dx power 4 plus 4. This you can write d power 4y plus 4y equal to 0. D power 4 plus 4 of y equal to 0. What is auxiliary equation? Auxiliary equation.
M power 4 plus 4.
M power 4 plus 4 equal to 0. How to find roots of this equation? Do you have any idea?
Minus plus or minus 2.
That we can apply for second degree. Tell me. Now, if it is m square, a square minus b square, we can write a plus b into a minus b. But this is m power 4 plus 4. Do you have any other idea? Hello? Hello? Shall I write?
M square whole square.
No, m power 4. I'll add 4m square, subtract 4m square. Okay? A square plus b square is there, plus 2ab minus 2ab I'm writing, that's it. First this one we can write m square plus 2 whole square. M square plus 2 whole square is m power 4 plus 4m square plus 4 minus 2m whole square I'll write. Now tell me, this is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square is
3 of m.
a plus b into a minus b. M square plus 2 minus 2m into m square plus 2 plus 2m equal to 0. Now you can easily find out roots. M square minus 2m plus 2 0. M square plus 2m plus 2 0. Now tell me, what are the roots here? Minus b plus or minus root b square. Do you know this?
Yes, ma'am.
This square quotient is a, m quotient is
4
b,
minus
constant is a. 4 minus 8.
4.
8 by 2. That is 2 plus or minus root minus 4 is 2i. by 2. You can take 2 common, you will get 1 plus or minus a. Similarly here, minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. It is minus 2 plus or minus 2i by 2. That is minus 1 plus or minus I. Is it clear, everyone? Hello? Hello? Now what? Shall I go to next slide? Hello?
Yes.
What are the roots? M equal to 1 plus or minus I, minus 1 plus or minus I. Tell me. I'll write complete solution directly. Complete solution is y equal to CF plus CI. Y equal to, what is complementary function? Tell me. These two are complex and distinct, not repeated roots, right? Two are different or not? Hello?
E power
E power x into C1
C1
plus
C1 into E power
cos x. Cos beta x, beta is 1 plus
C2 sin
C2 sin beta x.
C2 sin beta is 1. This is for first one. Second
E power
one,
minus x.
E power
minus x into C3 cos x plus C4 sin x. That's it. These two are distinct, complex and distinct roots. You have to read those 4 rules. Solve this. B cube minus 14d plus 8 of y equal to 0. What is auxiliary equation? Auxiliary equation is m cube minus 14m plus 8 equal to 0. M cube minus 14m plus 8 equal to 0. See 1 satisfying or not, 2 satisfying or not. Find out one root. M equal to 1 not satisfying. M equal to 2. No. M equal to minus 1 also not satisfying. M equal to minus 2 also not satisfying. Find out one root. M equal to 3. Huh?
No, no.
4.
M equal to minus 4, it will satisfy, I think, ma'am.
M equal to minus 4.
Minus 4.
Okay, we will see. M cube quotient, M square quotient, M coefficient 8. If M is minus 4, 1 plus 0, 1. 1 into minus 4, minus 4. It is 16 to minus 8, 0. Right, M equal to minus 4 is one root. M equal to minus 4 is one root. To find other roots, M square minus 4M plus 2 equal to 0. Here you can find by minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. 4 plus or minus root 8 by 2. Root 8 you can write 4 into 2, so that is 2 root 2. You can divide this by 2, 2 plus or minus root 2.
Plus or minus root 2.
Okay. M equal to minus 4 is 1 root. 2 plus root 2 is 1 root. 2 minus this. These are not complex roots, right? Real or complex? 2 plus root 2. 2 minus root 2.
Real.
Real. What is complementary function? C1 e power
minus 4x
plus C2 e power 2 plus root 2x plus C3 e power 2 minus root 2x. Therefore, complete solution is y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Therefore, y equal to C1 e power minus 4x plus C2 e power 2 plus root 2x plus C3 e power 2 minus root 2x. Okay, you try this. I'll take attendance. D square, solve d square x by dt square plus 5 dx by dt plus 6x is equal to 0. Given x of 0 is 0, dx by dt of 0 is 15. That means x of 0 is 0 means what is x value and t value here? X is 0 when t equal to 0. Now in second condition dx by dt is, what is dx by dt value?
15.
15 when t equal to 0. These two conditions are used to find constants. You first write complementary function, write auxiliary equation first. Auxiliary equation m square plus 5m plus 6 equal to 0. What are the roots? What are the roots?
Minus 2,
Minus 2?
minus 3.
minus 3.
Therefore, complementary function equal to C1 e power minus 2t plus C3 e power minus 3t. Therefore, solution is x equal to complementary function C1 e power minus 2t plus C3 e power minus 3t. This is solution, but we have to find constants by using given conditions. X of 0 equal to 0 means x is 0 when t equal to 0. Then equation 1 implies x0, c0, e power 0, 1. But this is c2, c1 plus c2. This is equation 2. Now to substitute second condition, we have to find dx by dt. Differentiate equation 1 with respect to t. Differentiating 1 with respect to t. Then tell me.
dx by dt is
Equal to
c1 e power minus 2c
into
minus 2
plus c2 e power minus 3t into minus 3. Okay, what is condition? Dx by dt of 0 is 15. Dx by dt of 0 is 15. That is dx by dt is 15 when t equal to 0. Substitute this condition. Dx by dt 15 equal to minus 2c1 plus 3c2. Solve equation 2 and 3. Equation 2 is minus 2c1 plus 3c2 15. Equation 2 multiply equation 2
minus
by 2.
3c2
Minus 3c2. Multiply equation 2 by 2. C2 is minus 15 and equation 2 C1 is minus C2. That is C1 is 15, C2 is minus 15. C1 15, C2 is minus 15. Therefore, what is solution? What is solution? What are the values of C1, C2?
Y is equals to
X equal to
X equal to
C1 is 15 e power minus 2t minus 15 e power minus 3t. Substitute in the solution. These conditions are used to find constants. Is it clear? Do you have any doubts in this? First write solution. This is solution. After that put substitute given conditions. You will get constants C1, C2 and then substitute those C1, C2 in the solution. Okay? Note down, I will take attendance. And remaining problems we will see tomorrow. Which is mostly the complementary function is completed. Tomorrow we will see how to find a particular integral.
Ma'am, we'll show rules now, ma'am.
This one?
Rules, ma'am. Starting rules.
Uh,
Okay, ma'am.
okay. From triple A, absent is, wait a minute, 45 absent, 48 absent, 52 absent,
45 present, ma'am.
okay, 45, okay. Sixty-four absent, 74 absent, 77 absent. Okay, from AC. 32 absent. 41 absent. 61 absent. 64 absent. 71 absent. 73, 74 absent. 76 absent. 79 absent. Okay, ma, that's it.
Ma'am, 124 present, ma'am.
Present.
Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma, see you in the next class.